Got the truck all loaded up, got the kayak in here, got all my gear for camping. Heading down to Devil's Lake State Park in Baraboo, Wisconsin. It's gonna be an awesome trip. Meeting a depth chaser down there. I got this all loaded up, got like 4 suits in here. My passenger seat is full. Can't pick up any hitchhikers, but we're gonna go do some diving. We're gonna get some news coverage, channel 27 News, I believe it is. Just gotta make a quick stop. You're a quick trip.
3 hours and 22 minutes later.
Just got here to the campsite, Quartzsite campsite up on Devil's Lake by Baraboo, Wisconsin. I gotta set up my tent, get the compound together. Let's do this. So I'm gonna attempt to put this tent together here. See how we do. Got a 18 by 17 foot tent that I bought for $30 at Goodwill. It's like brand new, never been opened. You can tell because it's all fits in here still. But original price is $170. I paid $30. Good deal. Let's see if it actually fits in the space here. I think it's gonna work. I think this is a divider here. Supposed to be a divider. You get another divider. This must go on top after. I'm adventurous, so if this doesn't work out, I'll be sleeping in the truck. You guys hear that? Yeah, me neither. There's no women screaming. Or kids. All right. Time to put some nunchucks together. Let's break it before we put it together. Alright, so I'm gonna look at a picture. Alright, so it says that I gotta put the poles in the tent. Where? I don't know. Just gonna look at the pictures, figure it out. No reading involved. Alright, we got 3 big ones here. I have no idea what the heck's going on. Picture. Make it a little more easier. What? Sand. Well, I think it's been used before. These are dirty. Ooh. Getting her. Boom shakalaka. Who needs to know how to read? Not this guy. Pretty much done. Need a picture. And that there is how you put up a tent. Good deal. Just filling up my little air mattress here so I can sleep good while I'm camping. I don't have the camper, but I got the tent and the nice air mattress, those screen ports, good to go. All right, well, I got my campsite all set up, got my tent here. First time setting it up, took a half hour. My campfire over here, I forgot the firewood, but we'll have to figure something out. Got my chair set up on the campfire here, tables, got the grill set up. I'm about to cook some bacon wrapped steaks and chicken wrapped cordon bleu. Should be pretty good. And I got my kayak, I gotta prepare for tomorrow. We're gonna have a big day tomorrow. I'm about to meet Depth Chaser for the first time. Let's go say hi to him. It's the infamous Depth Chaser.
How's it going, man?
What's up, man?
Finally got to meet you.